Affordability is a problem all across the country. It's a problem all around the world. I hadn't bought a home for 30 years, so I didn't understand the scope of the problem. So once I looked at it, it became clear that over the course of the last 15 years, housing had taken a turn for the worse because of the labor landscape, and I felt the need to get involved and see if there was an opportunity to help. Home construction has really suffered from a lack of people coming into the industry. We find ourselves in this supply and demand imbalance, and that's really what's driving this unaffordability. The only way to combat that is to offset the lack of labor with automation. We're guilt-free on that because there's already such a labor shortage. What we do shouldn't cost anyone their jobs. We're actually really transferring the physically demanding work into more tech-focused work.
Jack had the business side of the problem, and he said, "Can you solve this with technology?" I looked at it and I said, "I think we can." And we rolled up and we launched Diamond Age.
And so that's what we took on here, trying to figure out how to build single-family homes with robots.
We have a full suite of CNC capabilities here. We have the ability to make pretty much anything that you can dream of.
We took a look at what can we change within the building materials and our methodology to really change the way we actually do the process. You can think about construction in the most basic form. It's taking large materials, cutting them to size, getting them in the proper place, and then attaching them with the right method. We've tried to divide that labor content up between robots and humans, the dull, the dirty, the dangerous on the robot side, and leaving the decision-making and the dexterity to the humans, and ultimately reduce that overall cost and reduce that timeline, get people into their first home faster for less money. Layer by layer, we build a concrete wall. When we get to the point of adding electrical or plumbing, we add those components as we move up. We coat the outside, but drywall finish and a stucco exterior, and then we build a traditional roof system on top of it. So at the end of the day, you have something that looks and feels like a traditional home, but is built through the methods of additive manufacturing.
Today, we're building homes on a sub-60-day cycle, which is anywhere from 2 to 4 times faster than the existing production housing industry. All of our equipment is electric. Our job site runs at 56 decibels. The neighbor right there can't hear us, even when it's full tilt operations. So this is sort of that interim step. We've printed walls. They will withstand a seismic B event. This isn't just about robotics and automation. It's really about redesigning or value engineering some of the systems to make it easier for everybody to work on the house. This is a 1477 plan. It's 1,477 square feet of living space plus a 2-car garage. It's 3 bedroom, 2 bath. It's an open floor plan. This literally could be every entry-level home in the United States. This is a scalable business. It's just a matter of offering the new generation of technology-focused jobs in home construction.
A house is a safe space. A house is where you build a life. And to be able to give people an earlier year or lower cost or a higher quality house in that journey, that's empowering. That's just super special to me, where people buy a house and it becomes a home when they move in. We build houses. People make them homes. We wanted people to feel like, hey, I'm no different than anyone else. I work hard, I have a house. This is my part of the American dream.